Hello folks, are you in a rush to invest into PPF to maximize your interest return? PPF is Public Provident Fund. Are you investing in PPF just because everyone is telling you to invest? Think how it can benefit you. Welcome to my channel, and if you don't know about PPF or if you are already investing in PPF, do watch this video till end so that you can make an informed financial decision. Well, a PPF or a Public Provident Fund account is a long-term savings scheme introduced by government. PPF has a lock-in period of 15 years. What are its unique features? The PPF scheme offers guaranteed risk-free return of 7.1% annually, making it an attractive option for those seeking a steady income stream. But what sets PPF apart is its unique exempt status, which means the money you deposit in a PPF account in a year is exempted from taxable income under 80C, and the returns you earn is also tax-free, and the corpus you receive after 15 years is also tax-free. How much can you invest in PPF? You can keep your account active with a minimum investment of 500 rupees annually, and you can contribute up to a maximum of 1.5 lakhs rupees in a year. What are its withdrawal options? As I already mentioned, you can withdraw the total corpus after 15 years. Is there any partial withdrawal possible? Yes, after 7 years of account activation, you can make a partial withdrawal. But remember, only one partial withdrawal is allowed in a year. Now, let me explain you the maturity date of a PPF account as well as its partial withdrawal clauses with a simple example. Imagine you had opened a PPF account in September 2022, and imagine you are contributing a maximum of 1.5 lakhs every financial year before the 5th of April to get the full benefit of 7.1% interest on your investment. For the purpose of counting years, your zero date will be 1st April 2023, and the maturity date will be after 15 years, that is in the financial year 2038-39. You can make a partial withdrawal request only after 7 years of account activation, that is after April 2028. That too, you can withdraw only 50% of the amount till the previous financial year, or the 50% amount in the 4th year preceding to the year of withdrawal request, whichever is lower. In this case, it is 1,63,461 rupees. When you have a balance of 11.4 lakhs in your PPF account, you are withdrawing an amount of only 1.63 lakhs when you are raising the withdrawal request after April 2028. You can also close your PPF account after it completes 5 years for certain listed specific reasons like life-threatening diseases, etc. But a penalty of 1% will be applicable on the interest earned. I don't think this kind of withdrawal restrictions offer good flexibility or liquidity of fund for investors for PPF. After the lock-in period of 15 years, you have the option to extend your PPF account indefinitely in blocks of 5 years, either with further contribution or without contribution. You have the option to choose this at the end of the 15th year. Now, the biggest question, who should invest in PPF? It's important to consider the concept of inflation when making long-term investment. In case of India, considering the scary inflation rate of 5 to 6%, even 8% for education sector, the return that PPF offers is only just enough to beat inflation. We do know how the price of medicine, school fees, higher education, etc. have increased in the past years in India. PPF may not significantly increase your wealth or help you achieve substantial financial goals. Therefore, PPF is a good choice for people with low risk appetite or those who don't have an option for employee provident fund. If you already have an EPF, it's worth contemplating whether PPF is necessary for your financial portfolio. Always make informed financial decisions. In summary, a PPF is a long-term, government-backed savings scheme that offers guaranteed tax-free returns. It's ideal for those with low risk appetite, but it's essential to consider factors like inflation when planning for long-term goals. Invest for goals and manage money wisely. If you find this information useful, subscribe to this channel for knowledge on personal finance for beginners. Thank you, dears.